Hey guys, today I'm playing Car Crushers 2 and it seems like I need to get out of here. But I have the perfect car for that. It's turbojet engine. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I need to run. All I can do is run. Where is my car? Okay, I need to get inside this car. It looks like the meltdown was already in procedure. And I just exploded. And got closer too. And I do not get a victory dance because I died. Well, I technically spawned in when someone already did the meltdown. But can I show you? So this is where you do the nuclear thing, like the nuclear boom explosion. I can get in here. I can get in here. So I need to get to 100. I need to start filling. Okay, that needs to get to 25,000 energy. And my head is stuck in Roblox. Hey, I did it. But I can self-destruct the facility. And now I'm going to get out. Actually. Before I do that, I'm gonna actually go into the Demolition Derby. Right here. And then it will reveal. And then I would automatically get joined into a different server called Crushers. But it's Demolition Derby. And it's free for all. So I guess I'm just gonna go with my super trip. Okay, what is going? Okay, how did I get out of my tank? I want to find someone to absolutely dominate. Bang! Hey, he's mine. Oh, it's good that you have shield. This guy has shields, and so that didn't affect him. Does he see that blue thing on top of him? And my game is freezing up. And I'm going on. As you can see right there, it's empty. Ran right into this other tank. Boom! That wasn't fair. As I expected. I just took his engine out. Oh no, I see the Demolition Derby Master. I'm just gonna run. Oh my gosh, my nostril, I guess you could say, is gone because I don't have a shooting range thing anymore. But I need to find a guy that's not. Yeah, come here. Run straight over him. Yeah, come at me, come at me, come at me. Come at me, kids. Come at me, kids. You're gonna experience. Come at me, kids. Oh my gosh, that has to be a knockout. He killed me. Not killed me, exploded my car. And I'm gonna go back into the dealership. And I'm going to spawn out old-fashioned Corvette. What? I keep getting on my car. But there's really nothing I can do right now. See? Free fall 2, 0. I had a feeling that that guy was gonna win. And he's in my tank. And he has the silver armor. which is very good. Oh my gosh. That guy got he got 205. And I'm gonna obviously select freeze tag, even though no one's gonna select freeze tag. I'm gonna select Juggernaut. I really like freeze tag, and I really wish I could do it, but I got outvoted by one. Oh, there's 2 Juggernauts. Okay, I am not going for this vehicle. That is so unworthy. And I do have a winner that I think will win this for me. Going all the way back. All the way back. Not to the beginning, but you can go to the end from the beginning. Okay. I do not have these guys, but I can not use this guy. But this. What? I didn't even pick. Looks like I'm using. Hey, I'm using one of my good guys. Eat. Get in back of my car. Run. But I can go through everybody. Oh, except these juggernauts. Don't run on top of me. Go get them, guys. Help. I'm just gonna do donuts. This is my go-to plan. Hit him. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Oh, geez, we should go for that other guy. Oh, boom! That did nothing to him. Hey! We have a huge guy on our tail. No. I'm spawning in a different vehicle. I just have to. Oh, I can't use that guy. Can't use. So it looks like I'm going with my winner. This is my winner, chicken dinner. Vroom, vroom, vroom. See this guy? He's my winner, chicken dinner. Hey, I'm not freezing up anymore. I'm going for the tank. Or not. Or just smashing straight into a wall. Go for it. Bang! 360, more like 180. Go. Where is that other juggernaut? Oh, I can't get to him. Hey, go. No. This guy has incredible power. Bang! I got right onto him, but I don't even have steering wheels. So basically, I'm just doing donuts. I should do. Wait, I can't do donuts without a steering wheel. I practically just did. Oh, yes, I just did it. I just did a U-turn. Go. Looks like I'm dead. Going again. Black screen. I got this. If you guys believe in me, say I believe in the comment section below. Oh my gosh! Run. That dude has a rocket launcher. But I am not giving up. Just getting lined up. Oh, boom! How did that not damage him? I'm giving it. Guys, trust me, this is part of my plan. Yes! Guys, look, I have a flamethrower. See, I have a flamethrower. I wasn't even on the leaderboard. No fair. Oh, I'm totally doing bomb elimination. Bomb elimination is so much. No, I'm going for tanks. I didn't realize that we had tanks on our hands. I can use my golden tank for this. Or I might use my atomic tank. I'm not going to use my atomic tank. I'm using this one. Go. Just go. Someone else is using my guy right here. They're using the same guy. Who will I challenge? I think I'm gonna challenge this guy because he is the level 1 tank. Think about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And just guys, if you see that I seem tired, it's just because it's literally 10 o'clock at night and I'm recording this YouTube video. Where's that level 1 guy? I need to get to him. And chitty, bang! I got him. Bucket out of my way. I need this guy to get out of my way. I'm just gonna ram this guy. Out of my way, chippies. I'm gonna keep spamming this at this guy. Out of my way. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sorry. Excuse me, sir. Do you guys think I can pop off his head by aiming at the engine? Chitty, bang, bang. How did chitty, bang, bang? But I have gold armor, so I can still win this. I see someone's engine again. Bop, bop. Yeah, take this, eat this. I do not have a nostril, but I still knocked him out. Hey guys, there's my engine, so I probably should be really careful now. But I'm gonna go take out this guy right there. What? The game keeps freezing. How dare you? Random. Oh, geez. Get out of my way. I need to run. I am jamming this dude. I'm just gonna turn. Not run into the scrap piles. Run over that car. I'm gonna go for this tank. Shitty run over. Looks like I do not have a nostril, so I can't shoot out projectiles. Oh, I'm gonna go for this dude. I just whammed that dude. Did I kill him? No! I'm going to run over his little itty bitty tank of his. Ram into him. I got this. Go. Boom. Yes, knockout. Boom. Yes, ram him. We just did a pincer attack on that guy. Boom. Got him. Headshot. Headshot again. Oh my gosh, is that my treadmill? That's my treadmill. Okay, he just shot me. He has a nostril. I need to make sure that no one has nostrils at the end of this game, so that I can win this. Okay, that huge tank, that guy that has like practically the exact same tank as me, has the same. He has a nostril. Boom! That had to get him. How did that not get him? How did you not get damaged? Yeah, come out. Nope. How does he not get damaged? Okay, 28, 27, 26, 24, 23, 22. Okay, is it just up to me and that dude? No. Okay, I can get this dude out. Oh god, what? I literally hit him in the face. Ha, you can't hit me. Oh no, it's about to be out. No. Oh, that guy keeps winning with his tank. I wish I could button this. Plus, once guys, if you see the screen and you're on Car Clusters 2, just know that you're not out of this game. You're just in the back over there. Hey, got the first knockout. Let's go. At least I have 160 points. And I'm going for the ice cream. How do so many people like the bridge? The bridge is bad. I don't like the bridge. So annoying. Oh, that guy's probably gonna use his tank again. I really wish I had 90 trillion money. I just call money money. I'm using my laser tank. That's the end for everybody. I'm just gonna use my laser tank. That guy just exploded. Beep beep. Yeah, as you can see, this is an absolute dominator. Boom! Got him straight in. I really wish that I could make this guy gold. So. Hit the brakes. Ooh. Hit the brakes. Yeah. And then that's the spawn area. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, blah. Excuse me, sir. You're running a bit too fast. So are you. Beep, beep. I just got shield. Oh, that guy got shield. Okay. I'm just... Oh my gosh, I can use this doom ramp. I just... That was easy. He's the level 1 tank. Ram him! Ram him off the board. Okay. That man is going to pay. Wait, I could probably destroy this guy. Because his face is literally the... The guy's a good thing. No! Stay back. I just got teleported right now. Oh, no. Go forward. Oh, I am literally twisted upside down. I mean, turned around. There's a random hand cat just rolling. Does that not annoy anybody? But I'm just gonna switch a tank. I'm probably gonna stay in the tanks for now. Or I'm gonna use my absolute dominator. Oh wait, can't use my absolute dominator. I'm gonna use this guy, but customize him. And body primary is gonna be gold. Why can't I see the gold on him? Oh. Looks like I cannot put gold on this guy in a demolition derby. Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. I keep falling out of my super jets. Ring! I want to find a little guy. Out of my way. Oh my gosh, I'm so low health. I'm so low health. I need to run. Oh, but that monster truck's handling. Boom! I want to be the one to kill my vehicle. I'm just gonna light this thing on fire. Bomb it! That thing failed me so much. But it usually is my winner. So. Okay. Oh, whoa. I just saw. Does this thing have a mini gun in front of it? I just saw a car that got. Where is it? Where is that? Oh no, that's the guy. Oh no! Where is that guy with the thing? I'm going to ram this guy off the board. Bye bye. Yeah, eat this. Eat this. Haha. He just didn't know, and he just randomly went off the board. Take this tank. Now he can't turn too. Oh, you're kidding. You are absolutely kidding. No. Oh, that just gave me a huge amount of boost. Oh, that's a rock. I abandoned ship. Found it. I'm not gonna use that guy anymore. I'm gonna use the wiener. I just call this guy wiener. I don't know. Maybe I will use my Wienermobile. I'm gonna use my Wienermobile after this guy. Come on. Not that that will happen easily though. Oh yes! I didn't want to do that. Excuse me, sir. You're disobeying the law. Excuse me, sir. You're running over my car. No! Okay, now I am going to use the Wienermobile. I need to find that Wienermobile. Guys, you do not know, but the Wienermobile is so good. As soon as I find it. That truck's new, but I'm not going to use it. Here's my own Wienermobile. I'm using my Wienermobile. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Excuse me, Tank. I got a Wienermobile. Excuse me, sir. I got a Wienermobile. Oh, you are so kidding. Thank you. Well, so no thank you at the same time. Beep, beep. I got the Wienermobile. Ram him off the board. Oh, this guy thinks that he can dominate me. Actually, the Wienermobile failed me. But do you guys know what will not fail me? Logging out of the game. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. And have a nice day. Bye, guys.